Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over something special. Actually, two things that are really special. These are the Lead Chemist by Watto's Junkyard. They are really cool, they're super lightweight, and they really just speak volumes to the character and how he used to handle these. I mean, you just can't get enough of Jango Fett, right? So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in and I'll show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so these are the Lead Chemist by Watto's Junkyard, also known as Jango Fett's blasters or Westar-34s. These are, I'm just going to go ahead and say it like I do in every video, they're beautifully machined. They have been aged and, lightly aged and weathered by Jason McLean at Pork Belly Ramen on Instagram. He's a really great artist. He does all of my art on my website that you see, all those characters and stuff. He actually had to let these go, and I grabbed them for a customer so that I could install them. Now, these are also installed with TR amp or Trooper amp soundboards. He's found on Instagram and more active on Facebook. I did have to wait a little while for these boards, but they're pretty cool. They do a lot. There's a ton of sound fonts on here. They have great functionality, and they fit the blasters well. They are pre-programmed with Westar-34 sound fonts already. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to start activating or using this thing. So all of the business is done on this side. You unscrew the actual muzzle, and this is your neopixel for the muzzle flash, and it has a quick connect with 4 pins. And then this side, let's focus up a little. This side has your kill key and the 4 pins, and this is also keyed up. So when this goes on, it only goes on one way. Pull out your kill key. It takes a minute for boot up, but it does boot up. Put your LED back on, and then screw on your emitter. I'm so used to lightsabers. Screw on your muzzle. And now you're in business. So everything is good to go. You can pull the trigger and it will fire. It lights up. And your aux button is right here. So tap that. Puts you in the next mode, which is full auto. Which is really cool because it actually has a heat up feature, which you can hear if you hold it. And then it lets you know when it's ready to go again. Next mode, we have stun. And then back to regular fire. Now, there are a ton of fonts. I did not spend any time playing with this board at all, as I didn't want to get lost. I think there's like, I might eat my words on this, but I'm pretty sure I recall reading that there's like 97 fonts of different blaster or gun sounds on this board. So there's a lot of noises that it can make. To enter the mode settings, you would hold the auxiliary button for like 1 or 2 seconds, and then as you continue to push the auxiliary, it cycles through the different things that you can address. And then I got confused and put the kill key back in, and I decided not to mess with that anymore since it already has the Westar sounds. So I didn't want to mess that up. This one's already ready to go. I had the kill key pulled on this one, but this one does exactly all the same things, and they're just identical. The only difference is really this piece, which I guess was the only thing that was really different on the actual props. So yeah, I mean, that basically does it for this build. In order to save some battery life, I would imagine that the battery drain on this is not a lot. I believe just because of the way that blasters work in general, that there's, like there's no main blade, there's no extra blinkies on this thing. So really only when you pull the trigger and it makes noises that it's like really using any kind of amount of energy. So I wouldn't worry about losing any battery if you forget to put your kill key in or you lose the kill key. The the blasters, I will also show off. They use a charging cable. So this will come with 2 of these, and basically just to charge it, you would plug it in like that and plug this into your wall. This is a 3.7 volt lithium-ion charger. There is a 3.7 volt, it's a really tiny battery. It's like 1,000 milliamps. But like I said, there's not a lot of draw. So now it's going to boot up again. And put the kill key in. And this is how they will come. They both have their own box. And they'll be packaged up nice and neat to arrive to the end user. And yeah, that basically does it for this build. So let's wrap the video up here. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome videos featuring blasters and lightsabers of this like. Please reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer any at all. If I missed anything on these, just ask. I'm here to answer. If you're looking for any kind of commission work or if you want to have a saber installed, you can reach out at John at Sabers Foever, and I'd be happy to answer any inquiries that you have about installation. If you have a commission that you'd like that you can't find on my website, also reach out at John at Sabers Foever. But if you have KR Sabers products or anything that I've installed in the past, these aren't on there yet, but they will be soon. Please check out my website at sabersfoever.com, and all of my commission work for KR Sabers or any other like Graflex master chassis stuff, it's all on there and ready for you to consume. So also, you obviously found my YouTube channel, but please do me a favor and like and subscribe. It really goes a long way. And as always, guys, until the next time, may the Force be with you.